But if there's one state, there's going to be focus as well after the Lok Sabha election result. It's Maharashtra. 48 seats, and there was a full-on surprise that came in, at least for the government of the state. And how that happened is because maybe not all is well this time in the Mahayuti alliance. After the performance that they definitely were not expecting from one of the biggest states, and after Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra added to that setback for the BJP. But now, 10 to 15 Ajit camp MLAs, are they in touch with Sharad Pawar camp? Because there was a meeting that Ajit Pawar chaired in Mumbai. 5 MLAs of his camp, at least, skipped that meeting. But Ajit Pawar has rubbished the claims. He's gone on to say that it appears none of these MLAs are unhappy, but they were just away at that time. But all of this is crucial because it's not just Lok Sabha. The results have come in right ahead of the assembly elections of the state as well, and that's why the coalition will matter. Meanwhile, remember, it was Ajit Pawar's NCP that managed to win just a solitary Lok Sabha seat, and it was the other side, the Sharad Pawar camp and the NCP, that managed to actually get the seats with the Shiv Sena of Uddhav Thackeray.
आज मैंने सभी विधायकों के साथ बात की। सभी ने बताया कि हम आपके साथ ही रहने वाले हैं, पार्टी में ही रहने वाले, सब मिलके ये परिवार है, ये परिवार हम आगे लेके जाएंगे।
Vidya joining me this morning on the first up. Vidya, good morning, because many would be asking if Ajit Pawar MLAs are trying to switch back, will Sharad Pawar camp take them back also? That also will be a big question. But is there something brewing? What are you picking up on the ground? Because Ajit Pawar says all is well.
Ajit Pawar definitely, not buckling down as was expected after the Sharad Pawar faction really, took quite a few numbers. They had a very good, as people in Maharashtra have been saying, a hit rate, wherein the number of candidates who were fielded versus the number of candidates who won was certainly high. That's one of the reasons why a lot of people in the Sharad Pawar faction are saying that there will be an incoming, with a lot of people from the Ajit Pawar faction now shifting over to the Sharad Pawar faction. And it is with the context to that Ajit Pawar said that everything is all right, no one's going anywhere, we have our camp in place, and we will be going ahead with the party that we have right now in hand, and we'll be contesting the Vidhan Sabha as well against the Sharad Pawar faction as well. Right now, that's the position that Ajit Pawar is really holding.
Very interesting. Vidya, keep track of that. Clearly for Maharashtra right now, there is a lot that is still being noticed and will be updated on what's unfolding.